Hey everybody, it's Tammy. I just wanted to do a quick flip through on this journal. It's my first design team project for Ephemera's Vintage Garden, and I used the Spring Woodland 1 and 2 printable journal kits, and I will list the address below. You can go check out her kits. It's a beautiful kit. I loved all of it, and I'll probably use it several more times, even though it's beginning to be summertime. Anyway, it's a traveler's notebook kit, and it's the first time I've really did a cloth cover for a traveler's notebook, but I did love it, and I found this bird material that I had, so it was a great time to use it, and it matched the kit so well. I did it in the Midori style, and if someone decides to buy this, then they'll be able to change out the booklet or the paper afterwards and reuse the cover. I just used a ribbon around the outside, and I made this band that is totally removable. I just didn't want to cover up the images of the birds. I did put one of my bulb pins there, but it's the 8.5 by 4 1/4, or 8 1/4 by 4 1/4, and has some sewing ribbon. Made a little pocket on both the front inside and back side. It's super sturdy. This is from the kit, and I just made a quick little pocket notebook with some extra little scrap paper. Put some lace as the binding. Got the faux old tape on there. This is from the kit. This is one of Ephemera's Vintage Gardens printables also. She has it in green and blue. I think, oh, and then the coffee color in this pink. These beautiful images. Okay. Did some stamping. I hope I'm in frame. Some eggs from a bird book. Some more journaling space. Some coffee dyed paper. This is a page from the kit. This is my stamp. This is from her kit, Jonathan's Wings, and it's a great paper for the back side of a printable. Lots of writing space, and you can stamp on it. This is from the kit. Just a little extra paper. Sorry about that. This is from the kit. It's a little envelope. And you can shrink these down and have some cards inside. But you can shrink them down or leave them the size they are. It's just a beautiful kit. Glassine bag pocket. This is a freebie, I think, maybe on her website. It just went with the blues, and it says springtime, so this is another freebie from her website. And I think my printer was out of ink or something, and it printed blue, and it worked well for this. So I did leave a lot of pages where I didn't embellish at all. Just whoever gets it might want to put different things on it. So this is from the kit. I'm going to embellish a little belly band there. This is a bingo card from the kit. And some tea-dyed paper stamped. A friend sent me this, just a vintage tag. These from the Book of Birds. It's just a vintage book I had. This is another one of her images. This may be a freebie. It may be in the dollar. She has a lot of dollar items also on her website. She has an Etsy store and a website. I've been following Debbie Ann for a long time, and in fact she has a lot of videos on how to do your journals, and I did my first journal following her instructions, so it's kind of exciting to be on her design team now. It's just beautiful images. This is just some paper from the kit. That's from the kit. Just made a little belly band. This is from the kit. I made it into a little file folder, and she has a transparency in the kit, but I had this actual slide folder, so I just put that image in. I think this might be from Williams Garden. It might be a freebie on her website also. And then just a collaged alphabet card, a vintage card. Some time cards that I'm trying to use up, and so some of this is from her collage papers, and I just kind of collaged on it. But she has some really pretty collage papers. So this is the middle of the signature. The actual journal is sewn with a 3-hole pamphlet stitch, and then it is the Midori style. She has some videos on how to do the Midori style, and there are 2 elastic bands here. So I've seen some, and I think she has a video where you could put 3 different signatures with the 2 elastic bindings instead of the 1. So I'd like to make some more covers like this. It was a lot of fun. Different. This is just a flip up with a pocket. It's a time card that I recycled. This is from a kit of hers. She has some vintage hanky kits. They have embroidered hankies on them. Really pretty. I know she has a purple kit, maybe a blue. This is from one of the either Spring Woodlands 1 or 2. These are from the kit. All of those. Oops. And that's from the kit. This is from the kit, and it actually has an envelope printed on the paper, and I just put a real envelope on top of that and put some images from the kit in there. There's so much you can do with this kit, and I definitely want to do some more projects with it. This might be a freebie on her website, and I just put in some of embellished, I guess those are edition cards with journaling space on the back. This is from redleadpaperworks.com. They have some unique bird stamps, so I love their stamps, so it just fit. This is an embellished paper clip, actually, that I just put on the side. I almost glued it down, and then I decided to make it into a paper clip. I hope I'm in frame. Okay. And that's from the kit. I'm trying a new setup with the video, so I hope this works out. Just bear with me. She also shows you how to do that faux tape if you've never done it. She has some videos on YouTube to show you how to do that. Teedad paper. Just a little pocket with an embellished bag. That's from the kit. I think this is from Williams Garden, another kit on her website. May even be a freebie, I'm not sure. That's from the kit. And some vintage playing cards. I'll put a few in here. They can be decoupaged and embellished or journaled on. This was a lot of fun to play with this kit. It's just so versatile. But she has a lot, and they just work so well together. So, the other half of that bag. my faux slide there. So pretty these colors are. This is from one of her hanky kits. Maybe the blue kit. I'm not sure which one. I'll try to put the links below. Kit. That's one of the stamps from the Red Lead Paperworks that I've had quite a while. This is from the kit. Just an embellished tag there. Lots of journaling space. This is from the kit. And you know, they're so versatile. You can shrink them down or enlarge them. Some of my tea-dyed paper. This is from the kit. I just made a little pocket here. This tag is from the kit. Embellished a card. That's from the kit. This little tag here. I think this is another one of hers. Another kit. Okay, so really enjoyed, like I said, working on this design team project, and I think it turned out great. I love it. So if you enjoyed watching, then give me a thumbs up. Thanks.